Hello, welcome to The Modern Lady, where you'll learn how to elevate your life with elegance. I'm Deborah. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you can get an update when I've got a new video to share. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for your continued support of my channel. I appreciate and adore you all. Well, writing unforgettable thank you notes is a very elegant habit to have, and it's certainly something that I admire. One of the many things I admire about Princess Diana was that she always hand wrote letters. So I know in this world of technology, people love to send text messages and emails, but handwriting a letter is never going to go out of style. It's always going to be tasteful and elegant, and it's the most elegant way to send your correspondence. So I'm going to share with you how you can write an unforgettable thank you note. Now, when you are writing an unforgettable thank you note, you certainly want to be timely. So within 48 hours of receiving a gift or attending someone's home for an event, like a cocktail party or a dinner party, you want to send a thank you note to that acquaintance or to that friend or colleague. It's a way to acknowledge and share your level of appreciation for them being so kind and courteous to you, and you certainly want to be timely so that you're not sending a thank you note a year after receiving a gift or attending a dinner party. Someone would probably just forget that they even gave you the gift or that they hosted you over for the evening, so it's definitely not going to be relevant unless you can be timely when you're sending that thank you note. If you're sending thank you notes after a wedding, you have up until 3 months after the wedding date, which is the typical decorum for you to send that thank you note, and within 1 month after a baby shower. So after hosting your baby shower, if you've received gifts and you're sending thank you notes, you should always do so within 1 month after that baby shower event. One thing you always want to do when you're writing your unforgettable thank you notes is to be heartfelt. How can you show your gratitude? By expressing what you love about the item. Maybe you plan on wearing it to an upcoming event if it's a clothing item, or you plan on using it for your children's birthday. Whatever the item is that you've received, being able to show your appreciation and your gratitude by sharing with the person who gave it to you what you plan on doing with that item, or if you attended an event, how much you enjoyed maybe the food or the ambiance, or you made a great connection. Whatever you can do to refer back to the item that you are referencing in your thank you note is going to help you be unforgettable in that thank you note, and also allow you the opportunity to be heartfelt when you're showing your appreciation. Last but not least, you certainly want to be specific. So when you are mentioning something in your thank you note, you want to actually list out what it is that you appreciate. Whether it's the gift by saying thank you so much for the red Chanel handbag, or if it's the event you attended, I had a wonderful time at your dinner party. You want to directly reference and be specific as to what it is and why you appreciate it. Thank you notes that are unforgettable are never vague. They're always very descriptive. So you can show your gratitude in an elegant way by sincerely sharing with the person why you appreciated what you did and being specific in your thank you note. You know, thank you notes are just a beautiful way, a beautiful token of showing your appreciation. And personally, I save the thank you notes I receive. I absolutely love receiving handwritten letters and notes and cards, and I do save them. They're not something I throw away or toss out like the trash. So they're definitely something that a lot of people do cherish, and it's certainly a way for you to add a touch of class to your gratitude when you are expressing your appreciation. Ladies, I would love to know from you, what type of thank you notes do you enjoy? Or do you have personalized stationery, or do you enjoy just purchasing cards from the store, or do you special order and you have certain things created for you, maybe online that you found? I would love to know what type of stationery you're using when you write your unforgettable thank you notes. I would so appreciate you sharing your appreciation for this video with a thumbs up. Ladies, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you again in another one. Bye for now.